More local leaders are addressing concerns about Ballad Health's plan to reorganize emergency care and trauma services. Last week, Ballad Health said it plans to designate Johnson City Medical Center as the region's only Level 1 trauma center, the highest level. The goal was to streamline and reduce duplicated services. Today, Scott County, Virginia leaders met to discuss if and how they might respond to those changes. News Channel 11's Jackie DeFusco is in Gate City, Virginia tonight, where they met earlier today. Jackie, what happened?
Yeah, Josh, well, just about every seat in the House literally was full in this Board of Supervisors meeting in Scott County, Virginia. Some people even standing in the hallway, and the crowd was full of passionate medical professionals and first responders, all speaking out about Ballad Health's proposed changes to trauma realignment. And their message to Ballad Health representatives this evening, overall, that this realignment of trauma could be the difference between life and death, especially in Southwest Virginia. And just now, the Scott County Board of Supervisors unanimously supported the drafting of a resolution to oppose the consolidation of NICU services and the reduction in trauma level designation at Holston Valley Medical Center from Level 1 to Level 3.
There's constant change in the world, and this is another example of big business making changes to be more efficient. The problem with this particular business is it involves human life, and we have to find a balance between effective, efficient running businesses and the delivery of health care and trying to keep the most number of people alive.
We actually did consult with EMS. We consulted with several EMS in the region, including the Southwest Virginia Director of EMS. So we did consult with EMS. We continue to do that through the last several months of going through this process.
Hospitals here. These are absolute facts. I'm not BSing.
And that Ballad Health representative, they're referencing a private meeting with Scott County EMS and Delegate Terry Kilgore that was held just ahead of this private meeting. And now this was the first time that a Ballad Health representative have really meaningfully addressed many of these Scott County first responders. Some saying tonight that's too little, too late. But, you know, Ballad Health representatives reminding also that that is the first meeting of what will now be a 10-month about implementation process to make sure that proper protocols are created. For now, live in Scott County, Jackie DeFusco, News Channel 11 in your corner.